Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix performance issues in Art of War 3 or TS strategy game on Bluestacks 5. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Bluestacks 5 and select the setting gear icon. In performance under CPU allocation, click on this drop down and set this to high 4 cores. And memory allocation, click on this drop down and select enhanced for GP. In performance mode, click on this drop down and select high performance. And now select the save changes option and select the restart now and restart the BlueStacks 5. And now you can launch Art of War 3 and your performance issue will fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.